Investigations into the murder of an M-Pesa shop operator, Hannah Waithera, who went missing on Wednesday last week only for her body to be found at the Nakuru County morgue. Waithera is said to have left her employer's shop to deposit money at a nearby bank but never made it there. Police say her decomposing body was recovered at Technology Farm on Monday but could not be identified until today when the family identified her. Ken Gashuhi with his report.
Mary Njeri was inconsolable after viewing the body of her 23-year-old daughter Hannah Waithera at the Nakuru County mortuary. Waithera was last seen alive as she left her employer's M-Pesa shop along Nakuru's Kenyatta Avenue on 21st of this month after she was sent to a nearby bank to deposit 250,000 shillings in cash. Today, the family learned of a body of a female adult that was lying at the Nakuru County mortuary and positively identified it as that of their missing kin.
Alipotea Wednesday. So ameweza kupatikana Monday na alipatikana mahali kunaitwa Technology Farm. Hapo ndo walimpata katika ile nini ya kuwekea ng'ombe maji akiwa amefunikwa na nyazi. Wakazi wapo wamesema kuwa harufu ndio iliweza kuwajulisha kuna kitu ambayo inaendelea si cha kawaida. Wakati walifika hapo wakapata ni mwili ya binadamu.
And the body was already decomposed, so we could not ascertain exactly if there is any physical injury. But the body was moved to BHH mortuary for further investigation.
Earlier, it was suspected that Waithera could have disappeared with her employer's money, suspicion that led to the harassment of her husband Zachary Wanjohi, who operates a car hire business. Reports indicate that he was forced to part with 49,000 shillings, which the police alleged to be part of the missing 250,000 shillings.
Walikuwa wanasema si wezi, tumeibia huyu, tumeficha sera, tunajua kwenye yako. Wakapiga mpaka mama yake wakisemanga sera, si tumekuja kuhamisha vitu kwa nyumba, ndio tupotee na hizo pesa. So ile pesa nilikuwa na kwa mfuko wakachukua. Wakasema hiyo pesa ni recovery yao.
We found out that this body was murdered somewhere else. And it was brought to that particular area because it is a big farm whereby most of the textiles are not present at that particular area.
Mimi ile kitu naomba tu ni serikali iwajibike na haki ya msichana itendeke, sababu sio hivyo, ni uchungu sana. Inaonekana huyo msichana amepitia uchungu.
Ken Gashuhi, KTN.
Sad indeed. We hope that the family of Sarah gets the justice that